You have forgot to record bug bounty Android hacking course intro video.
I can record it here like I did last time.
No sir, you can't. People want change. They will not accept it.
Then let me learn some rule here and complete that work.
Great idea sir.
Let's go. Where am now? Let me find the place to record the video here. This car is right thing.
Not clear.
Jack, focus. Am I visible? Let's start recording the intro. Welcome to Introduction of Android Bug Bounty course. The instructor has covered tools, installing terminal, application security, unzip, lots of software in Linux OS, and all types of practicals like Android application teardown, application signing, Android startup process, top 10 security issues, and lots of reports on miscellaneous vulnerabilities. For what you are waiting for, enroll now. Stop recording. Jack, did you got the shot?
Perfect, sir.
Great. Oh no. Let me charge from this car.
Here's Micah.
Who the hell is this guy? Wow. I'm sick of all these fights. Can we do something different? Can we play mini-media game?
Mine is Unapon.
No problem, I have solution.
Done.
Welcome, in this video we will see penetration testing two types, that is black box and white box. First let us see black box. The main difference with the black box testing is the testers are given very little or no information prior to the penetration test. It is also referred to as blind testing because the tester has to find an open route to access the network. White box. White box is when the tester is given full disclosure about the network prior to the penetration testing. This will include IP addresses, source code, network protocols, and diagrams, also known as full disclosure testing. Now let's see pros and cons of black box and white box testing. In black box penetration test, the attacker will be unfamiliar with the network, which is generally more realistic to everyday penetration attacks or hacks. White box testing would indicate result if you had a threat from inside the network that was using knowledge of your network, such as IP addresses, router accesses, active ports, web servers, FTP, and even passwords. A black box tester will not have this information. So that's all about type of penetration testing. Welcome, in this video you will see setting up Genymotion and setting up Android virtual device. First you have to download the Genymotion software. For that I'll search for just Genymotion free download. I'll opt for this file hippo link. Wait for it to download. The download file is .exe. This is for Windows. Mine is Mac, so I will search for Genymotion for Mac. For Mac, I want .dmg file. So here it is. I'll just click on download and download it. Let me fast forward this video so that download get completed. The download is complete. Here is .dmg file. I'll right click on it to open it up. I'll just drag and drop into applications to install it. Let me check in Launchpad. Here is Genymotion, and you need to have VirtualBox pre-installed in Windows as well as in Mac to run this Genymotion. If you don't have VirtualBox installed, Google search for it, download it and install it. I'll run this Genymotion. Open. Here are some virtual devices I created before. Let me show you how to create a device first. For that, I will click on Add Device. So here is a list of all the devices. You can opt for whichever you want with a specific operating system and specific hardware. I'll opt for Google Nexus 7. You can see the specification of the device here with the software and hardware. I'll rename this device as Genymotion and click on Next. It will take few seconds to download the files and set it up the device for you. I'll just fast forward this video as it will take lots of time for me. The devices are ready. Let me show you by loading one of the virtual device I have created. Let me load this custom. It's showing starting virtual device. Continue. Android. So here it is. The device is rooted and it has same feature like a normal handset usually has. It has functionality just like a normal handset would have. So that's all about setting up Genymotion and Android virtual device. In upcoming videos in this course, we are going to use a virtual device from Genymotion itself only, as it is comparatively pretty much fast and easy to use. Setting up Android terminal emulator in Genymotion. I would have ignored this video. I felt some newbies would face some problem here also, so I made a video on it. If you know how to install Android emulator on Genymotion Android emulator, then you can skip this video. I'll search for Android terminal emulator APK in browser of emulator. I'll go to this apkmirror.com link and download the APK and install it. It is installed and done. So this is terminal here. So I can type any kind of command here. To get root permission or super user permission, I have to just type su. It will ask for permission. I will click on allow. So now we are using Android emulator terminal as super user or root user. The burpsuit installation. Burp or burpsuit is a graphical tool for testing web application security. The tool is written in Java and developed by Portswigger Security. Burp Decoder Free Edition. The tool has two versions, a free version that can be downloaded free of charge and a full version that can be purchased after a trial period. It was developed to provide a comprehensive solution for web application security checks. In addition to basic functionality such as proxy server, scanner, and intruder, the tool also contains more advanced options such as spider, a repeater, a decoder, a comparer, an extender, and a sequencer. The company behind Burpsuit has also developed a mobile application containing similar tools compatible with iOS 8 and above. Let's open browser and type Burpsuit for Mac and click on appropriate link and click on download for Mac. Here you can see it's downloading. As I have already downloaded, so I will install it by double clicking on it. With simple wizard setup, click next, next. Installation finish. Now open it up by going to Launchpad. Click next. Click on Start Burp. You can see Burpsuit is started. Tools. Here are some tools where you can just grab the information from the website, that is HTTP proxy. It operates a web proxy server and sits as man-in-the-middle attack between the browser and destination web server. This allows the interception, inspection and modification of the raw traffic passing in both directions. Scanner. A web application security scanner used for performing automated vulnerability scans of web applications. Intruder. This tool can perform automated attacks on web applications. The tool offers a configurable algorithm that can generate malicious HTTP requests. The intruder tool can test and detect SQL injection, cross-site scripting, parameter manipulation, and vulnerabilities susceptible brute force attacks. Spider. A tool for automatically crawling web application. It can be used in conjunction with manual mapping techniques to speed up the process of mapping an application content and functionality. Repeater. A simple tool that can be used to manually test an application. It can be used to modify requests to the server, resend them, and observe the results. Decoder. A tool for transforming encoded data into its canonical form or for transforming raw data into various encoded and hashed forms. It is capable of intelligently recognizing several encoding formats using heuristic techniques. Comparer. A tool for performing a comparison between any two items of data. Extender allows the security tester to load burp extension to extend burp's functionality using the security tester's own or third-party code. Sequencer. A tool for analyzing the quality of randomness in a sample of data items. It can be used to test an application session token or other important data items that are intended to be unpredictable, such as anti-CSRF tokens, password reset tokens, etc. So that's all in this video on Burpsuit. If you want to learn about all these features, means you have to take my another course, that is Bug Bounty Web Hacking, where I try to cover all these features in depth by doing practicals. The course name is Bug Bounty Web Hacking. Thank you for watching this video.